Hey, welcome to BatchSkipTracing. In this quick video, I'll show you how you can get your very first list skip traced and have data returned to you. Let's jump into my account. Once you've logged into your account, go to the skip trace section within your menu. You'll have two different options to either skip trace a single property, type in the address, and get the information back through your wallet balance. You'll also be able to upload an entire spreadsheet, which is what I'll be showcasing in just a couple moments. Click on this option and you'll upload either an Excel or a CSV file you have downloaded on your computer. Here I have something that I'll simply drag and drop. And after that processes, click the blue arrow to move forward. This page is the most important, and all it's asking you to do is properly match up the columns of data you have on your spreadsheet with BatchSkipTracing. So here are my columns, and the only piece of information that's required for you to get information returned back is an address. If you have additional information like the mailing address and the first and last name, that will only be an added bonus but is not required. If you're wondering what format your file should be in, this is a perfect example. Trying to have the addresses you have organized by street, city, state, and zip code. So keeping in mind that it's asking for each column of data, which are each of these, we're just going to match those up with BatchSkipTracing. So first name to first name, last name to last name, if you have that information, match up the address, and if you have anything additional. I do have the mailing address, so I'll go ahead and add that. Once again, just matching your columns of data from your spreadsheet to BatchSkipTracing. Make sure that you correct the system if it didn't auto-recognize something properly. After you finish, simply click on the blue arrow at the bottom of the screen, where you'll then preview the information and name your list. This is a pre-foreclosure list I have in California, so I'll name that and click the arrow again at the bottom. It'll break down your estimated cost, as you'll only be charged for records that return information. That could be a phone number and or email address and or preferred mailing address. If you don't have a wallet balance added into your account just yet, you'll have the option to click on recharge, and it's a $25 minimum that you'll need to add. And once your card is added to your account, it'll be really easy to add that for future purchases. Once ready, click pay. And depending on the size of the file, it'll only take a few minutes or moments to get that information returned to you. Simply click on the actions option here to download that onto your computer. The information will be displayed letting you know what the hit percentage was on the success rate of that, how much information it was able to return to you, and it will give you your total cost broken down as well. In the downloaded file, you'll be able to get information on which phone numbers are on the DNC list and see all of the information returned back to you with phone numbers and or email addresses or a preferred mailing address to get in contact with those potential leads as soon as possible. If you have questions, simply go to the blue and white B in the bottom right-hand corner of your BatchSkipTracing account, talk to our support team through chat with us, and visit our help center to find even more videos and articles.